Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the homestead. So it's kind of a cold, yucky spring day that feels like fall. And but here in a week or two, it's going to be time for me to get my plants out. And I decided this year to do a raised bed. So I'm going to build some raised beds. I'm going to put these, pre-cut all this stuff so that wouldn't have to deal with it later. So I've got these are 1 foot, they're 2x2s, and I'm going to use them in the corners to help provide some stability. And then I'm also going to pound this part into the ground, and that will help to stabilize my raised bed. So I'm going to be putting this on here. This is actually a 10-foot deck board, and I picked it because it was a little sturdier, and I'm hoping it'll stand up to the weather a little better. And then I have some 8-foot deck boards over here that I cut down to be 4 foot long. So my beds are going to be 10 foot by 4 foot. So let's get started. So I'm going to put one of these on each side of my 10-foot long boards, and then we'll come back and I will show you how to do the 4-foot long boards. Okay, so now that I got this in here, I'm going to put a 4x4 here like this. So I'm actually going to mark where I want to put my screws. So I want one here, and one here, and then I want one here, and I want one right here. Okay? That way I can lay it down like this. Put my screws in it. I prefer the hexagon screws because they don't give me this much trouble, and they're self-tapping. But I had these around and I needed to use them, so doesn't have to be perfect. If somebody comes out and inspects your beds, they're a little too nosy. It's my opinion. And I got some nosy neighbors. Alright. Doesn't help that I'm not working on a very level playing field here. Also like the hexagon ones because they don't slip as much. Alright, so I put 2 screws into this board here, the outside board here, this one, so that It'll give it a little bit more support, and then this also is a support, so I put it in there. It keeps my frame nice and won't be so wobbly when my kids carry it out there, and they hopefully won't pull any screws out. Because yes, I'm going to have my kids help me carry these all to the backyard later, put them where they go. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, and then I will show you the finished result. Alright, so guys, there you go. It's going to be my raised bed. I'm going to flip it over and pound it into the dirt in the backyard and fill it with dirt. So I just want you guys to know that I'm a girl. I can do it. You can too. It's not perfect, and anybody who says it is would be a liar, but it should hold up for several years and give me a nice little garden bed to plant my stuff in. So thanks for watching, and maybe we'll have a video here pretty soon of it going into the backyard, or me filling it up or something. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and all that fun stuff. I like to hear from you. Thanks for coming. Bye.